A major development tonight in the Archdiocese of Baltimore's years-long bankruptcy battle.
Just days before that case was set for trial, the church backed away from a legal defense that could have shielded its assets, potentially preventing payouts for survivors of child sex abuse.
Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor brings us the latest.
That's right. Tonight, survivors saying that the church's decision to reverse course on charitable immunity finally clears the path for them to be able to receive compensation. But they also say that the delay has still cost them years of closure.
This week, a 3-day trial scheduled for federal bankruptcy court in Baltimore, canceled at the 11th hour. After a years-long legal battle, the Archdiocese of Baltimore abandoning any claim to charitable immunity, which would have severely limited or even eliminated any compensation for survivors of sexual assault, many of whom spoke out in court just last month pleading for this exact outcome.
People may have different definitions of what charity is. To me, raping a child is not a charitable act.
I'm hoping that now that this is off the table, this charitable immunity's gone, that defense is history, that they will negotiate in good faith from this point forward, which in my opinion, they have not done previously.
Jonathan Shakur, an attorney representing the survivors, says while the move is appreciated and clears the way for mediation, he also questions the church's timing.
I think they knew they were going to lose, and they better stipulate to it so they look better in the public eye.
When asked why the Archdiocese chose to reverse course now, a spokesperson writing the resolution, quote, allows us to resume progress towards the goal of compensating victim survivors as quickly as possible. Though Shakur argues, had the church taken this step from the beginning, the case potentially could have been settled by now.
Their objective is delay, delay, don't pay. Don't forget, this goes back 8 years. We have people who are 70, 80, 90 years old. They're dying.
The last hurdle left, setting a dollar amount. The church recently offering a $33 million settlement. Adding insurance companies will likely contribute hundreds of millions on top of that.
It's a mediation, and those conversations will continue.
Spread out between nearly 1,000 survivors, Shakur among those calling the previous offer insulting, but says the path ahead now looks much more promising.
I think we passed a major roadblock, and I think from here we're going to have success.
Again, these survivors have been waiting a long time for this compensation and, more importantly, closure. Shakur now says that he believes that this case will wrap up within the next year. Reporting in Baltimore City, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.